Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see syntax of like how to create a database and how to create a table. So we are going to see the syntax of both the creating database and creating table. So before that I have already shown in our previous video that what are the guidelines to create database and tables and what are the things you need to take care before going to create database and table. So in this video we are going to see what is the syntax to create database and table in SQL. Okay, so first we will see how to create database. So the syntax is simple: create database and whatever your database name is there. Okay, so this is the syntax. Now we are going to see one example. Suppose I will type create database and the database name is career. So our first guideline that we have seen, you cannot use space in the name between the names. Okay, so you need to use underscore. The previous video is very important because guidelines to create table and the database is very important. So please go through it once. So this is the way you can create your database name, whatever database name you want to create. Suppose you want to create any simple database name, so you can create database student. Okay, and you just need to run this query from here, execute. So when you execute this query, as you can see, commands completed successfully and your database is shown here in the databases. So where is the student? Here. So student database is here. Okay, so as this way you can create the databases in SQL. So we are using this SSMS software to creating these queries and to writing these queries. Okay, so this is the syntax to create database. Now we will see how to create a table. So the creating table syntax, that is so you cannot use any space in between the words. Okay, so this is the very important guideline. So we will see the example to create table. So to create table, first I will uncomment it. So with the help of these buttons you can comment and uncomment your like lines, query lines or your queries. So I will comment it first. So to create table, first use the command create. Then you need to create table. If you need to create table, use table, and you need to create database, use database. Then use table name. So whatever your table name is there, use that. Then open curly bracket, open bracket, and after that column first column name you need to write, then data type of that column, and then size of that data byte. In the earlier videos, we are not going to add the constraints in the tables because our constraints part is remaining now. So before that, in upcoming videos, we also see our like all the constraints parts. So no worry to that. Just in this video, we are going to see the table structure, and in our upcoming next lecture, I will show you how to create a database, how to run it, how to insert the values in the table, and how to run the table. Okay, so to create table, use create command, then table name. Open bracket, first column, the column data type, whatever data type, like if the values are string, then use varchar char, and then size of that data type, and then constraint, but we are not going to use constraints right now. We will see constraints in our upcoming videos. Then same column second and column third. Okay, and same column second data type size, then column third data type size. So I will show you one example here. Suppose we will create table student, sorry, we will create table class. Okay, we will see example now. Create table class, open bracket, then our first column name. So first column name is suppose name. Okay, then data type is varchar, and the length of data type is 10. You cannot write the name that are belong to the 10 characters. After, like, you only use the 10 characters in these names because we have already given the one length of that data type, okay, of that name. And then suppose we will use like city varchar 10, okay, comma, then roll number int. So in int there is no need to like specify your data type length because integer take already, so there is no need to specify your data type in the int button. So let's, this is the table structure as you can see. So let's explore it. First we have created the table, that is class. Then we have first column name, that is name. We have given the data type, that is varchar, and length of the data type, that is 10. Then we have taken second column name, that is city, and the data type of the column, that is varchar, and length of the uh, second column, that is varchar, data type length is 10. Then we have taken third column, that is roll number, and the data type is int. So as this is the way to create the table in SQL and create the database in SQL. So in our next video we are going to see again how do you like what is the way to create database, how you explore the databases, how you uh, like execute that databases. Then we are going to see create table in our upcoming lecture, insert the data into the table. So all that things we are going to see in our next lecture. So till then, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe and share with your friends who are going to learn the SQL in the beginning. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys.